South African National Tuberculosis Association, or SANTA, is a non-profit organization dedicated to fighting the tuberculosis virus. Their efforts include helping those affected with the disease to maintain healthy, balanced diets in order to build their immune systems, to provide beds, medical care, and also to create awareness on the disease. To fight the deadly virus, the SANTA organization depends on the continuous financial support from the community through special projects and charitable drives dedicated to their cause. One such project is Santarama Miniland, a public park attraction that houses all South Africa's top buildings, heritage sites and landmarks in the form of scale models. The park was established in 1974 with the explicit goal of raising financial support from visitors to support SANTA's fight against tuberculosis. This epic park holds various scale models ranging from the Union Buildings to Robben Island, among many other landmarks that make South Africa such a unique place to stay. The park also held a full-scale replica of the Dromedaris, the very ship Jan van Riebeeck arrived with in the Cape in the 1600s. Sadly, after 1994, the park suffered severe neglect. The architectural models on display are now nothing more than a graveyard of dilapidated memories.